In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can make money online doing nothing. When you try and make money online, you're either going to devote your time or your money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically set it and forget it. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which of these methods is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so your goal is to make passive income, to not lift a finger, or not lift as many fingers. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. In fact, there are 3 different opportunities that you could take advantage of to start generating passive income. The first way is actually with TikTok. Now, what you're going to do, you're not going to create the videos yourself. You're not going to be on camera. You're not going to show your face. What you are going to do is you're going to outsource this content creation for as little as $10. So what you can do, and I'm going to show you this step by step, is you're first going to pick a niche. A niche is simply an area where you're going to create content. For this example, we're going to pick the affiliate marketing niche. So we're going to teach people how to do affiliate marketing, but we're not actually going to do the work. What we're going to do is we're going to hire someone to do it. Now, I saw a video where someone was going to pay $15 or $25 over on Fiverr to have someone do this for you. However, there is a better alternative. You can use a website called onlinejobs.ph, and you can find someone to do these minute videos for as little as $10. And so if I log in here, I'm just going to show you an example. I'm just going to show you an example of a job post that I uploaded when I asked people to do this exact thing. So what you're going to do while that's loading is you're going to come over to answerthepublic.com. You're going to type in your niche. For example, we typed in affiliate marketing. And what you can do is you can come up with these lists of keywords and give them to your content creator. And your content creator is going to do the research and actually output the content. Another option that you can have them do is you can have them search and find the most popular videos over the last few weeks. So what we can do is we can type in something like affiliate marketing, just like this. And you're going to have them watch these videos. So we're going to, what we could do if we were on the mobile device, we could have this sorted by the most popular videos within the last week or month, and you're going to send them a link to this video. So I'm just going to click on this. For example, I'm going to pause this. I would copy this link and I'd put it in a Google Drive and say, recreate this video using your own words, and you would have them create it. So if I click on, let's go to this, I had one here. Let's click on view all. I must have deleted it, but we'll see that there are tons of people that are interested in being TikTok content creators for as little as $10. So I'm just going to click on messages to show you all of the people that were potentially interested in doing this. Now, again, there's 2 ways to do it. One way is to go over to answerthepublic.com and find different questions. For example, it says, how is affiliate marketing different than network marketing? So you would tell the person to create a 60-second video listing 3 ways that affiliate marketing is different than network marketing. They create the video. They will send it to you via Google Drive. You will put that video, download that video to your phone, and then upload it to TikTok. Again, another option is simply to go find the videos that have gone viral recently. For example, 223,000 views in the last month or so. This one has 972,000 views. You can actually send this link, and the interesting thing with TikTok is most of the TikToks are copy and paste. They just do the same thing over and over again. But you could send this link to your content creator and say, replicate this video using your own words. And then once they send it back to you, download to your computer or your phone and then upload it. You're going to make money potentially with affiliate marketing. TikTok also pays creators, but it's not a lot. You can also sell your own physical or digital products depending on what niche you're in, but this is an opportunity to make money. Another way that you can make money is simply with YouTube automation. Now, with YouTube automation, you are hiring a team of people that are going to do this work for you. Now, if we take a look at this video, they have 227,000 subscribers. This video is using a robot voice. So if we listen to this real quick, we don't want to listen to a ton because we don't want it to get demonetized.
That watch my videos.
So as you can hear, that is a robotic voice. But what you're going to do is you're going to go out, once again, find content ideas. You can use something like Answer the Public. You can take a look at the viral videos that are going on within your niche, and you can simply, once again, replicate them in your own words. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to need to hire a script writer. You're going to need to hire a voiceover artist. You're going to need to hire a video editor. And then you also going to need someone to do your thumbnails. You can hire all of these people for about $40 per video, and you upload 5 videos per week. And eventually you're going to get the ball rolling and you're going to get tons of subscribers. Now, what most people do on YouTube is the same thing they do on TikTok. They find the viral videos and then they either recreate them themselves or they hire somebody to recreate these videos. You do it. You hire someone to do it. You could also use an automated service like Pictory, Pictory, I think it's called, and do it that way, but it's going to sound much better. It's going to sound more authentic, and it's going to give you a better leg up if you hire a team of people. Now, you can actually hire a team of people through onlinejobs.ph. As you can see here, I have tons of people that are interested. Look at this, TikTok creator that are interested in doing this exact thing. So what I tell you to do, I'm actually doing myself, but you can see there are thousands of people that are willing to do this for a low amount. So you're going to basically just do arbitrage. You're going to hope that whatever product that you're promoting is going to pay you more than what you're spending on having people create these videos. And the final way that you can make money doing absolutely nothing is to hire people to write a blog for you. This is one of the writing services that I use to help me write my blogs. This is another one. This one's actually much cheaper, but you're going to actually have to do a little bit more work. What you could do if you decide to use hire writers, you can see they're much more cheaper and expensive, is you can hire someone to edit the work and make sure that it's up to quality. If you use this type of website, Buy Sell Text, they will actually write all of the material for you. And some of these writing services will actually upload it right into your blog, included with images. So it's, when I say it's hands off, it is while you're doing nothing. It's literally while you're doing nothing, because some of these writing services will actually upload it for you. What you'd want to do is go over to Ahrefs and give them a keyword. So I've typed in 20-gallon fish tank. You can see this one gets 71,000 monthly searches. There's over 2,000 keywords. You'd want to go through and find low competition keywords and potentially create that content. And then you can make money in a few different ways. One, with affiliate marketing. 2, you can make money by having ads placed on your blog. You could also sell your own physical or digital products and sell merchandise as well. So just to run through them real quick, you can hire someone over on onlinejobs.ph to create a TikTok channel for you. You can either ask them to recreate the viral videos that are already popping up, or you can use Answer the Public. You can also do the same thing with starting a YouTube channel. This is called YouTube Automation or YouTube Cash Cow. Once again, you can find people over on onlinejobs.ph who will actually create all of this content for you, and then you can upload it to YouTube and potentially make money. The last way is finding keywords, low competition keywords with lots of traffic, over on Ahrefs, and then use a writing service like buyselltext.com or even hire writers. Now that you know 3 different ways to make money while you're doing absolutely nothing, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.